Okay, so for the CFA, what was shown to you guys was a drop-down option. So obviously I can't do that here for a prayer deck. So what I decided to do is to write the question, which equation is not true, okay? And we need to solve these out one by one, okay? So basically for letter A, I'm gonna work with this one right here. Okay, so I have, remember the first thing I need to do is I need to circle my numbers, okay? So I have two numbers that are negative. So remember, same signs we add, different signs we subtract. So then it's going to be -4 plus my -3. Okay. So remember, if I'm adding the two negatives, it's still going to be a minus. Okay. My answer is still going to be minus, and then I'm just going to do 4 plus 3, which is 7. Okay. So this one is correct. Okay. So now if I work with letter B, I'm going to choose a different color for letter B. So I'm going to do 4 minus my 7, and they're telling me that this equals to 3. Okay, so then I'm going to circle my number with one symbol. Okay, circle my number with one symbol. Okay, the 4 has no symbol in the front, but I should automatically assume that this one's a positive. Okay, so then here I see that there are two different signs. So same signs we add, different signs we subtract. So then here I have to subtract. So it's going to be 7 minus my 4. And 7 minus 4 gives me 3. But now we have to think what kind of a 3. Okay. So this gives me it should be a -3. Okay. So my answer here should be -3. This one is not true. So this is an answer. Okay. Let's go on to the next one just to check them. Okay, so now I'm going to go with letter C. So I'm going to rewrite it. So I'm going to do 3 minus my -2. I'm going to subtract that, or not subtract. Oh, yeah, it shows subtract. My 5 equal to 5. So here, remember, I showed you guys that this looks like a broken plus sign. That's the first thing you need to look for before you circle your numbers. So all I'm going to do is, let me choose this light blue color. Connect the dots or connect the lines. So now this makes one big plus sign, okay, with the two negatives. Again, it only happens when I have two negatives next to each other, okay? So now I'm going to circle one number with one symbol, circle one number with one symbol. 3 plus 2 should give me 5, so my answer here is 5, okay? This one is correct. And my last one right here, I have -12 minus my 3 should give me -15. Okay, so then let me use this light blue color. I need to circle my numbers with one symbol. Okay, then I need to think, are they same signs or different? They're the same, so I need to subtract. I'm sorry, I saw the two minuses and I meant to say keep the symbol. And when they're the same signs, you add. Okay, so 12 plus 3 should give me 15. But what kind of a 15? -15. So this one is correct. So my answer is answer letter B, the one that is not true. So now what you're going to do is in the slides for today, you're going to go to the exit ticket. You're going to work on the exit ticket by yourself, which is the Google form. Make sure to have a separate sheet of paper and you're working on it, okay? And make sure to work on it carefully because the signs are tricky, okay? And then move on to the rest of the things in today's slide.